Hello guys, and welcome to part 3 of the Honda CT70 build. So today we're going to be putting on the Honda stickers, and we noticed we didn't have a steering stop, so we're going to be cutting that out from pipe and welding it on. Here we have our new Honda stickers. They were supposed to come later, but they arrived early, so it's exciting. Let's put them on. So you're supposed to spray it with water and peel it off, spray the frame with water, and just put it on, but we're not going to film it because it's too hard to do, I think, and film it. Unfortunately, the stickers didn't match up with the frame, so we cut them out because it was easier, but this way's still good too.
Riding out with our heads in the sky, we were 10 and 12 and 13. We got BB guns and dirt bikes and heads full of crowded dreams. We always won in the hot suburban sun. We were kings of the west side track. These new kids over across Slater Street coming on like a heart attack. Mama says, where are you going? When will you be coming home? With my brother and my memory, I'll bring my history home. Shoot with kissing the pride.
So we welded the steering stop up. It looks really good. So now we're going to put the bearings in. So you have to do 21 bearings on the top and 21 bearings on the bottom. That's 10.
If you got my back, here's the plan of attack. Listen up if you would, boys, please. We'll hit these buses round midnight and roll off like a band of